Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss 15 simple steps to be peaceful. Peace is very much required in life. You cannot compromise peace with anything. Find where is peace, how you can get peace. Everyone wants to be peaceful. To live with happiness and peace is the prime requirement. Parents pray to God to keep their children happy and peaceful. If it is so desired by many people in many places over generations, try to explore how one can achieve peace in social life. What are the common requirements for peace? Number one, physical fitness is very much required. Care for your physical health. If you are healthy, you will be peaceful. Otherwise, unnecessary thoughts will come in your mind and you will be restless. Absence of diseases. Third, life satisfaction, limiting desires, devotion to God, strengthening all divine values like kindness, honesty, loving nature, be tolerant and patient. Believe mental satisfaction is more important. Not to hate anyone, love all. Learn to forgive. Control your senses to enjoy satisfied mind. Clear your limiting beliefs. Control your materialistic greed. Control your lust for physical enjoyment. Have faith in God. Learn spiritual guidelines to serve all living beings and the environment. These are only simple examples, not a concrete list, jotted down by capturing my wild idea one fine morning. But these 15 points are really extremely useful and can make anyone happy and peaceful. Then following suggestions are also worth mentionable here, although all are interlinked. One can feed each other. Shorten your to-do list. Examine your commitments. You cannot do everything. Enjoy what you do. Avoid multitasking. Don't take up too much work at a time. Take break between tasks. Mr. Vincent Peale has said, the life of inner peace, being harmonious and without stress, is the easiest type of existence. Few Jain habit tips attracted my attention and helped me to add to the list. These are very, very nice and very useful, what I feel, and one can practice it. Write 4 to 5 activities what are important and what you want to accomplish. Simply 4 to 5 activities, major. Write 4 to 5 people to whom you want to spare time. Be selective. Spend time in solitude. Spend more time in solitude rather. Eliminate stress. Enjoy simple pleasures in life. Sometimes do nothing. Be grateful for getting help from others. Do not let the behavior of others destroy your inner peace, said Dalai Lama, the great philosopher. Tiny Buddha preachings always touches my heart, and in this context it is very much important and useful as I could learn to practice the followings. Be kind, fair, tolerant and patient. 4 things. Be kind, fair, tolerant, and patient. Know your ideal self. Make a list of all good qualities you want to cultivate. Stack your good qualities. Understand mistakes. Correct yourself. No need of perfection. There is no end of perfection. No need of competing with others. The Indian yogi and guru, Mystic Sadhguru, has said, it is our inner requirement, it is our basic requirement to be peaceful. It is not the ultimate aim of life. You need to fix yourself first. Look inwards. Have right perspective. Be capable to experience what is happening within you. Act consciously. Meditate regularly. Peace is your inner feeling. It is your choice within you, whether you are in mountain or in a jungle or in a temple or in social life. The key to happiness is the reduction of desires. Said in Bhagavad Gita. The key to happiness is the reduction of desires. Lord Buddha has said, peace can be achieved by performance of sacrifice. So sacrifice is main thing. So peace comes from within. Never be in hurry. Be calm and quiet. Be peaceful by minimizing your desires. Thank you. Have a peaceful life.